Step into a world where rustic charm meets modern elegance, where the warmth of tradition embraces the sleekness of contemporary design. Welcome to the future of rustic living, where every space tells a story of both past and present. Welcome to Visionary Designs, where we explore the ever-evolving landscape of interior aesthetics. Today, we're embarking on a journey through a home that masterfully blends rustic charm with modern sensibilities. We'll discover how to infuse contemporary elements into rustic design without sacrificing its inherent warmth and character. Get ready to reimagine rustic living for the modern age as we explore each space in depth, uncovering the secrets of this captivating design fusion. Before we cross the threshold, if you're excited about fresh design ideas, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Your support fuels our passion for bringing you inspiring content. Now, let's step into this modern rustic haven and let our immersive tour begin. As we approach the home, the front veranda greets us with a harmonious blend of old and new. Take a moment to absorb the atmosphere. The air is filled with the scent of wooden beams warmed by the sun, mingling with the crisp fragrance of potted herbs. Notice how traditional elements have been thoughtfully updated. The porch still invites leisurely afternoons, but with a fresh, contemporary twist. The flooring beneath our feet tells a story of time, perhaps reclaimed wood given new life with a modern finish. Overhead, the ceiling might surprise you with its color, a bold choice that brings the sky closer. Seating here marries comfort with style, inviting you to sit and stay a while. Can you feel the gentle give of cushions, the smooth touch of armrests? This isn't just a passageway, it's an extension of the home's living space, designed for both solitary moments and social gatherings. Look closely at the details, the way lighting fixtures cast intricate shadows, how planters mix organic forms with geometric patterns. Even the hardware on the front door serves as a piece of functional art, bridging rustic charm and contemporary design. This veranda sets the tone for our journey, showcasing how rustic charm can be elevated with modern touches. It's not just an entryway, it's a statement of intent, a preview of the design philosophy that awaits us inside. Take one last deep breath of fresh air as we prepare to step inside. As we cross the threshold, the living room unfolds before us, a testament to the art of blending eras. The space immediately envelops you in a sense of warmth, yet there's an undeniable contemporary edge that keeps it from feeling dated. Take a deep breath. Can you smell the subtle scent of wood and leather? These traditional materials ground the space in rustic comfort. But look around. Clean lines and modern shapes bring a fresh energy to the room. The focal point might be a fireplace, where rough-hewn stone meets sleek metal, the dance of flames reflecting off polished surfaces. Seating invites both conversation and relaxation, with forms that speak to modern ergonomics, while textures whisper of pastoral comfort. Natural light plays a crucial role here, streaming through large windows and highlighting the interplay between rustic textures and sleek surfaces. Notice how it changes the mood of the space as it moves throughout the day. Thoughtful artificial lighting takes over as evening falls, creating pockets of warmth and islands of activity. Art in this space tells its own story, perhaps large-scale photography of natural landscapes juxtaposed with abstract sculptures, bridging the gap between the home's rustic roots and its modern sensibilities. The color palette is worth noting too, how earthy tones serve as a backdrop for pops of contemporary color. It's a space that invites both cozy gatherings and sophisticated entertaining, proving that rustic design can be both timeless and timely. Textures beg to be touched: smooth leather, nubby fabrics, cool metal, rough wood. Each element has been chosen not just for its look, but for the sensory experience it provides. The fusion of old and new in this living room isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating a space that respects the past while fully embracing the present. It's comfortable, functional, and undeniably stylish. As we linger here, you can almost hear the echoes of laughter, the clink of glasses, the crackle of the fire, all the makings of memories in this modern rustic haven. Moving from the living room, we find ourselves in the heart of the home, the kitchen. Here, the marriage of rustic charm and modern functionality reaches new heights. Close your eyes for a moment and breathe in. Can you catch the aroma of fresh herbs, the earthy scent of wood, all mingling with the clean, crisp scent that speaks of modern appliances? In this space, traditional craftsmanship meets cutting-edge technology. The warmth of natural materials is balanced by the cool efficiency of modern design. Look at the cabinetry. Perhaps it features the rich grain of wood, but with sleek, handleless designs that speak to contemporary minimalism. The countertops tell their own story. Maybe the cool touch of concrete or the timeless elegance of stone. Their durable surfaces perfect for both serious cooking and casual gatherings. A farmhouse sink might catch your eye, its classic form updated with modern materials or unexpected colors. Lighting in the kitchen serves both form and function. Pendant lights might hang like jewelry, casting a warm glow over a central island, while under-cabinet lighting ensures that every task is well illuminated. The play of light and shadow here is a design element in itself. Storage solutions showcase the best of modern ingenuity. Pull-out pantries, custom organizers, perhaps even a hidden appliance garage. Yet these practical elements are housed within structures that echo traditional craftsmanship. The backsplash serves as a canvas where rustic and modern truly blend. Perhaps handmade tiles in a contemporary pattern, or sleek surfaces with a texture that recalls natural stone. It's these details that make the space feel curated and personal. Don't overlook the appliances. They're the workhorses of the kitchen, their modern technology housed in designs that complement rather than compete with the rustic elements. This isn't just a place for preparing meals. It's a space that invites culinary creativity, casual conversations, and the making of memories. The modern rustic kitchen proves that functionality and aesthetics can coexist beautifully, creating a space that's as practical as it is inviting. From the kitchen, we naturally flow into the dining area, where the art of gathering is celebrated in true modern rustic style. As you enter this space, notice how it manages to feel both grand and intimate at the same time. The dining table commands attention, perhaps a solid wood piece that tells the story of the tree it once was. Its live edges and unique grain patterns celebrated rather than hidden. Yet its chairs might surprise you with their contemporary form, showcasing how different design eras can coexist beautifully. Overhead, lighting makes a statement. It could be a modern chandelier with organic forms, or industrial-inspired fixtures that have been softened with warm-toned bulbs. Notice how the light plays on various surfaces, creating a warm, inviting glow. The walls in this space are a canvas for personal expression. You might see a mix of textures, perhaps a reclaimed wood accent wall juxtaposed with smooth surfaces adorned with modern art. Or maybe open shelving displays a curated collection of both rustic and contemporary pieces, telling the story of the home's design journey. Underfoot, the flooring continues the modern rustic narrative. Wide planks speak of pastoral charm, while their finish or layout pattern adds a contemporary twist. A well-chosen rug anchors the dining set, adding softness and defining the space within the open plan. Don't overlook the window treatments. They might be simple and elegant, allowing natural light to flood the space, or perhaps they make a bolder statement with patterns that blend traditional motifs with modern color palettes. The dining area embodies the idea that meals are more than just nourishment. They're experiences to be savored. Here, rustic elements create a warm, inviting atmosphere, while modern touches add a sense of refinement and sophistication. Imagine the conversations that would unfold here, the laughter that would echo off the walls. Picture holiday gatherings, intimate dinners, and lazy weekend brunches. This space is designed not just for eating, but for connecting, for creating memories. It's a perfect example of how modern rustic design can create environments that are both visually striking and deeply comfortable. Our journey concludes in the most personal space of the home, the bedroom. As we enter, you can almost feel the stress of the day melting away. This is where the modern rustic aesthetic truly shines as a haven of comfort and style. The bedroom whispers rather than shouts, enveloping you in a sense of tranquility. Natural materials and soft textures invite touch, while clean lines and uncluttered spaces soothe the eye. The bed itself is a masterpiece of modern rustic design, perhaps a platform style crafted from reclaimed wood, its weathered texture contrasting beautifully with crisp modern linens. Lighting here is layered and thoughtful. Soft ambient light might spill from fixtures that blend industrial materials with organic forms. Bedside lamps could offer focused light for reading, their designs an artful mix of rustic materials and modern shapes. The walls tell their own story. Maybe one features exposed brick or stone, a nod to the home's rustic roots, while others are adorned with contemporary art that echoes the colors and textures of nature. The interplay of textures is key here, smooth and rough, soft and hard, each element carefully chosen to create a sensory experience. Storage solutions are both beautiful and functional. A modernized armoire might house clothes behind sleek doors, while open shelving displays cherished objects. Each piece serves a purpose while contributing to the overall aesthetic. The floor beneath your feet continues the modern rustic narrative. Warm wood planks might be softened by a plush area rug, its pattern a contemporary take on traditional designs. By the window, a seating area invites moments of reflection. Imagine curling up here with a book, bathed in natural light filtered through sheer curtains that gently move with the breeze. As our tour comes to an end, take a moment to reflect on the journey we've taken. From the welcoming veranda to the tranquil bedroom, we've seen how rustic design can be thoughtfully modernized without losing its soul. We hope this tour has inspired you to see rustic design in a new light, to imagine how you might blend the charm of the old with the excitement of the new in your own spaces. Remember, modern rustic isn't just a design style. It's a philosophy that celebrates the beauty of imperfection, the value of craftsmanship, and the joy of living in harmony with both past and present. If this journey through modern rustic design has sparked your creativity, we'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts in the comments. How would you bring modern elements into a rustic space? What aspects of this design style resonate most with you? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Visionary Designs for more inspiring interior concepts. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest design adventures. Until next time, keep exploring. Keep creating and keep reimagining the spaces around you. Your perfect blend of rustic charm and modern elegance is waiting to be discovered.